my name's Tully, and I'm here with, what's your name?
And my name is Xuanji.
And the company?
My company name is 璇玑科技. English name is 璇玑Technology.
And they have a really cool drone. It has counter-rotating props. One of them is fixed, and the other one is able to tilt just like a helicopter, and that way it has full control. But the part that's really cool is that it's fully modular. It comes apart.
This is a GPS.
And it has the same connector all the way through the whole stack. Many of the parts are 3D printed, so you can even design your own parts.
You can put the camera up ground.
Oh, you put a camera on the top?
It's like a Osmo.
Right, yeah.
And it can put down.
So you put a camera on the top or the bottom, or you can put a GPS on the top. And you can put different size batteries.
You can put the battery up.
You can even put the battery on the top. Wow.
On the top.
Okay. And one of the other advantages is because it uses a much bigger prop than a normal like 4-prop drone. It's much quieter than a regular drone because they move at a slower speed and they're more efficient too. So flight times can be, they can fly
1 hour. You can see here it fly now. You can listen, it's very quiet.
Cool. All right. Well, thanks a lot.
Thanks.
Yeah.